Welcome, it's Ray here. You're watching The Real Ray, and we're starting a new series. Yay, new things. So my new series is called Home Hair Academy, and I created this series because more and more people are doing things at home, right? And I'm not just talking styling, because we've already covered some of that. I'm talking chemical services. And some of you people are putting chemicals on your head without any research at all. So I'm here to correct that. You know, they say that knowledge is power, and I think that that is the truth. So I am going to give you all of the knowledge I can. I feel like the series will probably go on and to cover things other than just color, but we are gonna start with some basics and really getting to know your hair and what like different types of color are, and then we'll get into what's best for you and formulations and stuff later down the line. So just hang in there. It'll probably be some, less exciting information up front, but it is to give you the information you need to be truly informed if you need to do hair color at home. So one of my biggest concerns is that a lot of y'all are just going and picking a random box at the grocery store and just kind of hoping it works. So later in this video, I'm gonna talk about why I really would like y'all to not use box color, please. We are going to get you educated so that you can go into your beauty supply store, Sally's, whatever, and make a good decision based on your very personal hair care needs. But before we get into that, I do have something I really want to talk about, and that is if you are in a place of financial wellness and health wellness and can go to your salon and get your hair done, please do that. The salon industry as a whole is down like 20 to 30%, and that's a lot, and your salons and your stylists really need your business. So please go support them. And if you need a little bit extra motivation to not do your hair color at home, here's a couple other reasons to go see a professional. Number one, it will always turn out better when done by a professional. We have a ton of experience, and I guess this leads into number two, and we use better products than you're gonna be able to buy at your beauty supply store most of the time. I don't know what other hairdressers are using. I know that we have Aveda, and you cannot get Aveda at your local supply store. And also, you get that great massage at the shampoo bowl. Everybody likes a massage. Don't miss out on that just because you want to play in some hair color. And you won't. This is a big one. You won't have to worry about getting your new hair color all over the kitchen, the bathroom, wherever it is that you're going to be performing your at-home services. You don't have to worry about staining it and cleaning it up. And it's way faster in a salon because, someone else doing it that does it all day, every day. Okay, so now that we've covered why you should go to a salon if you're in a place where you can go to a salon, let's move on to the real deal, which is why I don't want you to be using box color. So in the next few videos, we are going to get to know your hair in depth and all of her personality traits. But when you buy a box, the box doesn't know her. They're not friends, they're not even acquaintances. The stuff in there is so strong because it is designed to treat everybody's hair. And she's unique. She deserves special attention and something that is custom picked for her. So yeah, that's the first reason. I want to add one more thing to that. So it being strong, why is that a problem? So it is a problem because the stronger the formula, the more damage that you're likely to get from it. So we spend a lot of time on our hair and growing it, and we want it to be healthy and happy as long as possible. And so if we're putting super strong formulas on it, we're damaging it. And so like, what's even the point of coloring it? To make it prettier or cover grays or whatever the need is, if it's just gonna strip it down and make it look and feel awful. So yeah, the health of your hair is like top priority. So that's why that's why box color being really strong is not okay. Additionally, you don't really know what's in the box, and that kind of concerns me. You can't customize tones to your personal needs, or, you know, obviously the developer. And I kind of was looking at some box colors today while I was at Publix, and a lot of them just say like developer and like color mixture, and some says like foam. And I don't know, I guess because I've been doing hair for so long, I want to know what's in it, and I'm not into that for sure. All of them have a pretty small amount of color in the box. And most people are gonna need more than, I think it was like 1 ounce of color and 1 ounce of developer, the couple that I looked at. And pretty much everybody, unless you've got like short and fine hair, are gonna need more than 1 box. So then if we're like getting into like choosing box color just because it's cheaper than like going to Sally's, once you're buying 2 and 3 boxes, because that's how much you need to fully saturate your whole head, then you might as well have gone to the beauty supply store and bought a big bottle of developer and the tube of color that fits your needs, and it's less money and better product. So that pretty much covers all of the reasons I am anti-box color. Mostly, to sum it up, bad for your hair, and it's not customized to you at all. So let's take control of what we are doing and putting on our hair at home and go about it from an educated standpoint. So please stay tuned to my coming classes. We're going to get into what is hair and like a full in-depth evaluation of your hair. We're gonna get to know all of our personality traits. It's gonna be awesome. Y'all are really gonna feel like best friends by the end of it, and then we will get into the different types of hair color and formulations and color charts and the color wheel and all the fun things that go on in my brain and other stylists' brain when we are formulating the magic we work on your head. Chicken says hello. So, if you enjoyed this, make sure and hit that like button. Let me know how you're feeling about the coming content. And if you have any like specific questions, I would love to know and answer those. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure and do so. And if you're interested in this series, make sure and hit that bell button, so as I'm putting out new content, you are getting notified. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I just cannot even tell you how much I appreciate y'all. And I hope that I am bringing value to your day and your time, since you are spending it watching me. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. I love you. Have a wonderful day. Go out and be beautiful and make wise life choices about your hair. And I will see you so soon, and we'll be talking about what your hair is. All right. It's TheReelRae. Y'all know I'm goofy and will probably never stop being ridiculous. In fact, it'll probably keep getting worse. For real this time. Love you, bye.